McDonald's is, without a doubt, one of the fast food giants. And if there's something that accompanies almost all of their burgers, it's their iconic French fries. That crunch when you bite into them, the softness on the inside, and that perfect touch of salt make them one of the most irresistible products on the menu. That's why about 9 million kilograms of French fries are served every day in McDonald's restaurants around the world. A real madness, right? But have you ever wondered what's behind those perfect French fries? Over the years, many rumors have circulated about them. That they use strange chemicals to maintain their golden color, that they are full of additives, or that they come from low-quality potatoes. Some even claim that those crispy and delicious fries are designed to be addictive. So, what really happens in McDonald's factories? Step 1. Selection and cultivation. The journey of McDonald's famous French fries begins in vast agricultural fields. McDonald's doesn't use just any potato. They select specific varieties like Russet Burbank and Russet Norcota, two types that are known for their size, shape, and starch content, making them the best candidates for achieving that crispy outside and fluffy inside texture. These potatoes need to have the perfect size to be cut into the strips we know, and only the best ones pass the cut. Imagine a field full of these potatoes growing under optimal climatic conditions, with farmers taking care of them to meet strict quality standards. These potatoes are grown on specially selected farms, mostly located in regions of the United States and other countries that offer the best conditions for their growth. This is where it all begins, in the earth. And once the potatoes have reached their peak ripeness, it's time to take them to the factories for the next step. Step 2. Arrival at the factory. After being harvested, the potatoes arrive at the factories. Once at the factories, the real preparation process begins. The first thing is to give them a deep cleaning. The potatoes that arrive covered in dirt from the field go through an intensive washing process with high-pressure water. This step is crucial to remove any impurities or dirt that may have adhered. After washing, the potatoes go through peeling machines that remove the skin very efficiently. Peeling is fast and precise, ensuring that each potato is completely ready for the next steps without wasting time. Step 3. Peeling and cutting the potatoes. Have you ever wondered how they manage to peel tons of potatoes in such a short time? It's all thanks to the state-of-the-art machinery they use, which is capable of peeling 20,000 potatoes per hour. Imagine how many they peel in a day. Simply amazing. With the potatoes peeled and ready for action, it's time to give them that iconic shape we all know. Once the potatoes are clean and peeled, it's time to give them that iconic shape. Here, the potatoes go through cutting machines that divide them into long, thin strips with incredible precision. Each strip is cut to the perfect size and thickness, ensuring that when fried, each one maintains that uniform and crispy texture we all know. This step is one of the most important in the process because it guarantees that all the fries have the same shape and size, no matter where in the world you enjoy them. Consistency is key at McDonald's. This is where they ensure that all the potatoes will maintain that perfect quality that makes them stand out. But of course, giving them the perfect shape is just the beginning. Now they need to go through their first bath of hot oil. Let's see it. Step 4. Pre-cooking the potatoes. With the potatoes already cut comes the first of the two fryings. In this step, the potatoes are submerged in hot oil for a few minutes. They are not fully cooked at this stage, but enough to start giving them that golden texture on the outside and soft inside. This pre-cooking is essential so that when they arrive at the restaurant, they are ready for the second frying that will make them perfect for serving. During this first frying, the potatoes acquire a slight golden layer that is not visible to the naked eye, but that contributes significantly to the final texture. This stage also helps to reduce the moisture of the potatoes, allowing them to stay crispy in the second cooking. Have you ever wondered how they manage to keep the fries always crispy without being greasy? Well, this is the trick, but the magic doesn't end here. The next step is the secret that makes them addictive. Let's see it. Step 5. The secret touch. One of McDonald's best-kept secrets is what happens after this first frying. After coming out of the oil, the potatoes receive a bath of dextrose, a type of natural sugar that gives them that golden and shiny color you see when they serve you the fries at the restaurant. They also add a pinch of salt and a light layer of preservatives to ensure that they stay fresh throughout the freezing and transportation process. But it doesn't end there. The combination of dextrose and salt is one of the key elements that makes McDonald's fries so irresistible. Step 6. Freezing and transportation. This touch creates a balance between sweet and salty that stimulates our taste buds and makes us want more and more. If you've ever wondered why it's so hard to stop eating them once you start, now you know the reason. With the potatoes now addictively tasty, it's time to freeze them to ensure their freshness until they reach the restaurants. After receiving their special touch of dextrose and salt, the potatoes undergo a rapid freezing process. This is a fundamental step as it allows them to preserve their freshness and texture until they reach McDonald's restaurants around the world. The frozen potatoes are packaged and transported under strict temperature controls to ensure that they arrive in the best possible conditions. Refrigerated trucks transport tons of potatoes every day to McDonald's restaurants from specialized factories to any corner of the planet. This transportation and storage system ensures that no matter where you are, you can enjoy the same crispy and tasty fries. But of course, the journey is not over yet. There is still a key step before you can enjoy them: the second frying. Let's see it. Step 7. Final frying. Once the potatoes arrive at the restaurant, they still need to go through their second frying process to be ready to serve. At the restaurant, the potatoes are fried again in hot oil just before they are served. This second bath of oil is what gives them that crispy golden color and the soft texture on the inside that we all love. This double frying process ensures that the fries are always fresh, crispy, and ready to be enjoyed. Once they come out of the fryer, they receive their final touch of salt before being placed in the iconic red McDonald's boxes and served with your meal. And there you have it. McDonald's French fries, perfectly golden and crispy on the outside with a soft and fluffy interior. Each potato has been carefully selected, washed, precisely cut, and subjected to a frying process that guarantees that every bite is irresistible. From its origin in the fields to the moment they arrive on your tray, everything has been designed for you to enjoy a quality product, no matter where you are in the world. However, although their flavor is addictive and they accompany any meal perfectly, it's important to remember that French fries are a high-fat and high-calorie food. Frequent consumption of this type of food can have negative effects on health, such as weight gain or heart problems. That's why, although enjoying these delicious fries from time to time is a pleasure, doing so in moderation and accompanying them with healthier options is key to maintaining a balanced diet. Now that you know the entire process behind those crispy and golden McDonald's fries, tell us, will you continue to enjoy them, or will you opt for a more moderate approach? Leave us your answer in the comments.